Hello there. Following through with my other funnel pours, which I've really been enjoying doing, I've decided this time to place my funnel straight onto the canvas, pour into it and then just lift it like a open cup pour in a way, but it won't be moving around, it won't be a floating open cup pour, it'll just be as is. So my colours that I'm going to be using are metallic berry, a mix of yellow ochre and yellow, metallic green, navy blue, and this got metallic pink with white 50-50. And I'm just going to pour them into the funnel as I have with previous pours, and then lift the funnel and see what happens. Okay, that's all my colours in there, a lot of bubbles, because I only mixed the paints a little while ago. I left them to sit for a little while, but of course not long enough to let all the bubbles out, and my paints are a little bit thicker than what I usually use. So now I will lift the funnel and let the paint out. My goodness, there's a lot of berry in there. I love the wee dots coming through because there's so many different colours. So tilting this is going to be interesting. Hopefully some of the berry will be tilted off and bring up some of the other colours. Well, it looks to me like if I had used black, I'd have a giant black hole with colour in the middle, and of course the stratosphere or whatever it's called would be the outline of it. So I think I will still take those two corners off. They're a little bit too muddy for me. Well, that is certainly different. I'm not sure whether I like it very much. There are probably other things that I could do to it to embellish it, to make it look a little different. But I don't know, it's certainly colourful. And so many bubbles. I am going to have to try and make more time in the evenings now to make up paint that can settle for a while before I use it. And I have a small bumpy piece here, which I'm going to remove. So I guess now it's a little bit of play around time for me. This is the time when I decide it might be quite handy to do streaks and swirls. No, I think I might just stop right there. It still reminds me a huge amount of a galaxy with possibly some northern lights or something from it. I love the little dots, but I don't think I'll be able to get any more coming up. They certainly won't get any bigger, as I did not add either silicone or dimethicone to this pour. Okay, I will leave it at that. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.